Hercílio Luz International Airport, Florianópolis-Hercílio Luz International Airport IATA, FLN, ICAO, SBFL, branded Floripa Airport, is the airport serving Florianópolis, Brazil. It is named after Hercílio Pedro da Luz 1860–1924, 3 times governor of the state of Santa Catarina and senator. It is operated by Zurich Airport Brasil. Some of its facilities are shared with the Florianópolis Air Force Base of the Brazilian Air Force. History. The airport was built on the site of an old air naval base, which operated until 1941, when its jurisdiction changed to the Brazilian Air Force. Between 1927 and 1932, the then known as Campeche Field was also used by the French aviators of the Compagnie Générale Aéropostale for its operations in Florianópolis. Among them were Jean Mermoz, Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, and Henry Guillaumet. Between 1942 and 1945, the runway 3/21, apron, control tower, and passenger terminal were built. At the same time, some facilities of the Florianópolis Air Force Base were built and made operational. In the period between 1952 and 1954, the passenger terminal was rebuilt and was operational until 1976, when a brand new terminal building and apron were opened. The old facility is today the cargo terminal. The new terminal was further enlarged in 1988 and 2000, reaching the present 8,703 m2. In 1978, the runway 14/32 was opened, allowing a great increase in traffic. In 1995, the airport was upgraded to international category and started receiving particularly seasonal and charter flights from Argentina, Chile, Paraguay, and Uruguay. On March 16, 2017, Flughafen Zurich AG was awarded the concession to operate and expand the airport, owning 100% of it. On January 15, 2018, the new concessionaire began construction of a new terminal with 14 new gates. The cost of the project was BRL 570 million. The new terminal, located on the opposite side of the main runway from the old one, was officially opened on September 28, 2019. The main runway was also extended by 100 meters 330 ft to 2,400 meters 7,900 ft. Operations using the new terminal started on October 1, 2019. Airlines and destinations. Cargo. Accidents and incidents. 22 March 1951, a Cruzeiro do Sul Douglas Seamanus 53D2 plane, registration PPCCX, while landing at Florianópolis crashed following an overshoot in bad weather and an engine failure. Of the 14 passengers and crew, 3 died. 12 April 1980, a Trans-Brasil airplane, Flight 303 Boeing 727-27C registration, PTTY, is flying from São Paulo, Congonhas to Florianópolis, was on a night instrumental approach to Florianópolis. The aircraft went off course, struck a hill, and exploded. Probable causes are misjudgment of speed and distance, inadequate flight supervision, failure to initiate a go-around, and improper operation of the engines. Of the 58 passengers and crew aboard, 3 passengers survived. Access. The airport is located 14 km 9 mi from downtown Florianópolis.